Kasweet Langs! It's me again, Kasweet Langs Channel! So mga kasweet lang, samahan nyo kaming gumala ngayon ng aking husband and we're going for a day in London. So it's gonna be a balikan trip from our town going to London. Our first stop was here in Camden Market. Camden Market mga kasweet langs is the place to be, lalo na pag magbibili po kayo ng mga pasalubong to Philippines. And I would definitely recommend this area, this place in Camden Market kasi mas mura talagang magbili ng mga souvenirs dito mga kasweet langs. Like, ang daming mga souvenirs na mabibili. Bags, keychain, ref magnets, t-shirts, hoodies, shoes, and like a lot of things mga kasweet langs. Hindi ka na po talo sa pamasahe mo papunta dito. This is the place to be for food vlogging, shopping, and a lot of things that you can do here in Camden. Who doesn't like those graffiti handbags, diba? And of course, a lot of souvenirs, postcards, and yeah. This area is the place to be wherein you can take a picture while walking around on this beautiful alley. And you know what? Very timing talaga ang pagpunta namin dito dahil it's very sunny today mga kasweet lang. Alam nyo naman dito sa England, pag sinabing British weather, in 5 minutes umuulan. After this minutes, umaaraw. Oh my God, very unpredictable talaga ang weather mga kasweet langs. Kaya swertihan na lang pag gumala kang umaaraw. And I think it's time for us to find some snacky dahil medyo gutom na ako mga kasweet langs. More likely, Camden Market is situated here in North London wherein there are lots of canals, food markets, nakita nyo naman kanina, and local shopping and lot of handicrafts. And as you can see around this area, this is the spot wherein you can find a good representation of very nice architecture, kind of industrial revolution. And oh yeah, mga kasweet langs, I would really like to ride a boat on this area to roam around, but the thing is that we are very short in time and it's just a day tour mga kasweet lang, so maybe we're gonna do it on the next time. For whole food vlogging, oh my God, this is the spot for you mga kasweet langs. I can smell food and my God, yung tiyan ko! Mas nagugutom na ako sa naaamoy kong pagkain. Sa mga mahilig ng booties dyan, meron ka ding makikitang Dr. Martens shop dito sa Camden Market mga kasweet langs. This is really the perfect spot for you to enjoy your meal, to enjoy your sightseeing here in Camden Market dahil may parang igloo siya sa middle mga kasweet langs. Diyan pwede kang kumain. Don't worry mga kasweet langs dahil free lang naman pong umupo dyan kahit wala kang order or dahil pagod ka na lang, kakalakad. Yes, you can stay and sit for a while, diba? Kasi syempre napagod ka ng mag-sightseeing, kaya mag-rest ka naman muna. While walking around this area, I can smell very nice burritos, Arabic food, Chinese food, Mexican, and many different kind of food mga kasweet langs. Talagang naggreg na yung aking buksit, kaya bilisan mo loves na mamili dahil grabe, kanina pa ako gutom. Kanina pa kami namimili kung ano ba talaga ang pipiliin namin mga kasweet langs. Mahirap talagang mamili pag madaming choices ng pagkain. So may mga certain shop mga kasweet langs na bawal magdala ng pagkain sa loob kasi syempre baka matapon mo yung pagkain, 'di ba? May jewelry shop din pala dito sa area na to. Going back again in the main street mga kasweet langs, you can find different paintings, graffitis, and as you can see on this street, it was quite busy. So you have to look after your belongings. You'll never gonna know what's happened. So mga kasweet langs, ang advice ko lang is be vigilant. In this street, you can find some branded and unbranded shops. that are not so authentic brands but quite beautiful that is very good for pasalubong mga kasweet langs. Ang hirap mamili mga kasweet langs kung ano ba talaga yung gusto mong bilhin. Finally, nakahanap din ng mug yung asawa ko. And alam niyo ba, nakikipagtawaran pa siya sa jersey guys. Kasi nga, mahal ang jersey dito at wala siyang dala. Dahil yon ang sports niya. Pero nakikipagtawaran siya at hindi binigay ni Kuya Seller yung tawad niya. Kaya umalis na lang kami mga kasweet langs, di ba? Sa init ng panahon, kailangan mo talaga tong freshly squeezed orange juice, di ba? Yummy! If you are struggling in crowds, I think this place is not for you mga kasweet langs. But if you are an adventurer like me and you can just fit in different places, then this is the place for you to be. Enjoy, 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 and let's go again! Natural History Museum. So, free admission lang yan mga kasweet langs and pwede na kayong mag-date-date dito sa loob ng museum. Pero syempre, sinabi ko nga kanina, kung ayaw mo sa crowds, well, hindi ka pwede dito. Pero dahil pwede namang pumila para makalibre, why not? Let's go, pila-pila na, diba?